Welcome to Researching Cases Part 3A, Full Text Searching Tips and Tricks. This is a tutorial by the Jerome Hall Law Library at Indiana University Maurer School of Law. Research platforms today offer a variety of ways that you can construct your keyword searches, from very basic to very complex. In this tutorial, we will explore these different approaches to keyword searching, including natural language searching and terms and connectors searching, with a focus on how to use these types of searches on Lexis and Westlaw. Most commonly conducted searches are considered natural language, meaning that you type in a question or phrase to search, similar to asking the question aloud. Most modern databases are structured to support natural language searching, but results tend to be imprecise. The search engine is likely to do one of two things: either bring back results containing any of your search terms, or attempt to bring back results that other users have looked at when running similar searches. Either way, you may end up with completely irrelevant results. In other words, natural language searching puts the search engine in control. For more efficient searching, you might want to try terms and connectors searching, using certain words or symbols to direct the search engine to treat your search terms in specific ways. For instance, placing the word "and" between each term in your search string instructs the search engine to only retrieve results that contain all of your search terms. And putting two or more terms in double quotation marks instructs the search engine to treat those terms as a phrase. This puts you in control of the search and will help you retrieve more precise results. But wait, there's more. Using "and" as a connector and searching multiple words as a phrase using quotation marks are pretty standard search tricks, but this only scratches the surface of what you can do here. Switch the "and" to "or", and you'll retrieve results with any of these search terms. The word "not" will exclude a term, so we could search for results with peace and love, but not rock and roll. As an added tip here, you can group terms in parentheses as another method of controlling how the search engine understands your search request. Alternatively, you can go for term proximity instead. Putting /s between terms instructs the search engine to find results where your terms are in the same sentence. Relatedly, putting /p between terms instructs the search engine to find results where your terms are in the same paragraph. Along the same lines, you could use numbers instead, such as /5, which would require your search terms to be within, you guessed it, 5 words of each other. This can be a good alternative to searching words as an exact phrase, which can sometimes be too restrictive. If that feels like a bit of information overload, don't worry. Most databases will provide guides to what terms and connectors are available on their platforms. On Lexis, for example, you can find a list of terms and connectors by clicking on the Advanced Search link on the homepage. And for even more search tips on Lexis, including short videos demonstrating how to use these terms and connectors on their platform, you can click the link View All Connectors and Commands at the bottom of this list. An additional search tool Lexis provides is the search tree. When you run a search, at the top of your search results list, there's a topic tree icon that will show you how the different elements of your search string filtered your search results. Here we can see that separately, each original search term would have brought back over 10,000 cases. By adding a /s between the terms spite and fence, my results are narrowed to 537 cases. And by further adding the connector "and" between fence and nuisance, my result list is narrowed to 253 cases. The search tree, therefore, can be a powerful tool in helping you craft smart searches that are neither too broad nor too exclusive. Westlaw offers guidance on constructing effective searches as well. Its homepage has both an advanced search and a search tips link to the right of the search bar. You can find the list of terms and connectors in both places. The advantage of the advanced search screen is that the fields offered there will help you construct your terms and connectors search. The advantage of the search tips link is that it will give you many more search tips, including not only the available terms and connectors on Westlaw, but also tips on such things as constructing effective plain language searches, how to emphasize particular search terms within a long search string, and available search command shortcuts. Taking advantage of these help documents on these databases will make you a more efficient researcher, and we will discuss these search methodologies in greater detail in the separate Lexis and Westlaw tutorials. You should now have a basic understanding of the difference between natural language and terms and connectors or Boolean searching, and where you can find guidance on constructing effective searches on Lexis and Westlaw. This concludes Case Law Tutorial 3A on Search Tips and Tricks. You may now advance to the tutorials on full-text case law searching in Lexis and Westlaw. If you have any questions, the research librarians are happy to help.